let's try this Nature Spell Pore Perfection set. I'm going to pop some of the Rose Potion Facial Cleanser on first. It smells so good. Just giving it a good lather, and then I'm going to wash it off. So this is a 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover. And it obviously helps to remove all those impurities. And the rose in it helps strengthen and repair the skin, which this time of year I get dry skin a lot. So after cleansing, got the rose water toner, triple purified. Again, it's going to smell lovely. So I'm just going to stroke this over my face. Again, this helps with hydrating your face and your neck. Don't forget your neck. Up next, the serum with niacinamide and zinc. Pea-size amounts. I'm just going to pop a bit on each side and then distribute it around my face. Next up, the Vitamin C Pineapple Glow Up Face Cream. This is going to be amazing. Put some around there because I am dry around there at the minute. You also get the Pink Clay and Rose Pore Perfection face mask. I did use this the other night when I was having a bath and it was lovely. It left my skin feeling calm, clarified and glowing. So that's my skin routine done with the Nature Spells Pore Perfection set. So I can now apply my makeup. My skin feels really fresh, hydrated. I'm ready for the day.